There are different types of fabric like woven fabric, non-woven fabric, knitted fabric, denim fabric. In woven fabric, there are different types of weaves with respect to structure like satin weave, plain weave, jacquard weave, basket weave. The woven fabrics are produced in different types of structures. These are known as weaves. Today, our lecture is on the construction of woven fabric, characteristics, specialities, applications, advantages, and disadvantages. This is the structure or this is the picture of woven fabric. The straight yarns are known as warp yarn, and the diagonal or other lines are known as these are known as weft yarn. Construction woven fabrics are created by interlacing two sets of yarn, warp and weft at the right angle to each other. So in previous slide we have discussed this is the warp yarn straight line, and on the other side at the 19 angle this is the weft yarn. These are interlaced on each other. This is the construction of woven fabrics. Characteristics of these fabrics, these are stable and rigid structure. Due to rigid structure, they have less stretchy than knitted fabric, as knitted fabric are flexible, stretchy, but woven fabric has less stretch. Can be made with a wide range of yarns and fibers. The last characteristics is often have a smooth and flat surface. So these are the characteristics of woven fabrics. Specialities of these fabrics, when we talk about the specialities, they are these are strong and durable fabrics. These fabrics hold shape well, as they are strong and durable, so hold the shape well. And third specialty is suitable for printing and heavy finishes. Heavy finishes because they are strong, durable, and they have a better tear strength and tensile strength. And the last is these are more resistant to wear and tear because they have strong, durable, having a better strength, tear strength, and tensile strength, so they are more resistant to wear and tear. Applications of these fabrics, the woven fabrics are used in different applications like apparel. In apparel, these are used in jeans, shirts, trousers, and formal wear. Second application is home textile. In home textile, these fabrics are used for curtains, upholstery, tablecloth, and bed linens. These are also used in industrial textiles for industrial textile used for conveyor belts, airbags, and tents. These are the industrial applications of woven fabric. In the last, these fabrics are also used in fashion and accessories for fashion, bags, jackets, hats. Different types of garments are made from these fabrics. So these were the applications, vast applications in apparel, home textile, industrial, and fashion and other accessories. What are the advantages of these fabrics? The woven fabrics has advantages like durability and resistance to wear and tear because they have good strength. so they have durable and resistance to wear and tear. Second, can be made with a high thread count for luxury fabrics. The last is suitable for structured garments like suits and dresses. These are the advantages of woven fabrics. What are the disadvantages of these fabrics? Can be stiff and less comfortable than knitted fabrics because knitted fabrics are stretchy, has a flexibility, so as compared to woven fabrics. So this is the disadvantages of woven fabric. They can be stiff and less comfortable than knitted fabrics. We will also discuss the knitted fabrics in next lecture. Second disadvantages may require more yarn and resources to produce because number of fans per inch, number of picks per inch, so constructions or different types, so they required more yarn and resources to produce. These are the disadvantages of non-woven fabrics. I hope by this lecture your concept about the construction, characteristics, specialty, applications, advantages and disadvantages of woven fabrics would be very clear. See you in next lecture with another topic. We will discuss in next lecture the knitted fabrics. Thank you, Allah Hafiz.